Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from the group of 4 Mathematics and Natural Science Curriculum Studies kelas 6C. Here we will present the result of our group discussion. Here he acts as a video editor.
Theory: the fixed common factor HCF or other term is known as the great common divisor GCD. GCF is a two or more number which is the direct positive integer that can evenly divide the two or more number. Actually, the application of CGV is not only for two numbers, but it can also be for 3 or more numbers depending on the needs. However, in the mathematics material for KPK and FEB grades for elementary school, it is usually only limited to FEB on two numbers.
Icebreaking. Icebreaking activity is an activity that is usually for diverting confrontation so as not to experience boredom and can be spotting energy in an activity that is considered boring. Icebreaking can be given to anyone, but young and old, and can be given under any condition not having to be indoors. Icebreaking is a mandatory action to reduce saturation. Example is icebreaking. Pak kata, pak kata, pak kata, berenang dan menyelam, salam kimpul, kalau nongol kimpul.
Multi-board method. Find the GCF of 12 and 16 and using the magic board. 1. Give a yellow pin to the number 12 and give a blue pin to the number 16. 2. Give a yellow pin to the number that can be divided by 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 16. 3. Give a blue pin to the number that is divisible by 16, 1, 2, 8, and 16. 4. Find where the yellow and blue pins are in the same box. 5. Find the large number of the same two numbers from factor 12 and 16 to multiple 2. Then multiply the large factor that we have been looking for to multiple. 2 is 4, so that GCF of 12, 16 is 4.
Okay, factor 3 method. To find GCF with a factor 3, consider the following method. Find the common prime factor of each of these numbers. If there are factors that are the same, choose the factor with the smallest power. For example, find the GCF of 8 and 12 using a factor 3. From the factor 3 above, we get the prime factorization of 8 is a 2 by 2 by 2 or 2 to the power of 3. The prime factorization of 12 using 2 by 2 by 3 or to the power of 2 and or 2 to the power of 2 by 3. After that, we looking for the same prime factor that is 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3. Choose the smallest power that is between 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3, which the smallest which is 2 to the power of 2. Yes. So the GCF of 8 and 12 is a 2 to the power of 2 or 4.
What's question? What's our hacker or thinking skill is defined as a person's ability to think at higher levels. The HOTS concept actually comes from educational concept based on Bloom's taxonomy. The purpose of this HOTS model question is to encourage students to do high-level reasoning so that they are not fixated on only one pattern of answer resulting from the memorization process, without knowing the concept of science. HOTS is one of the demands for skill in 21st century learning, namely critical, creative, collaborative, and communicative thinking.
Next, one example hot question. The O2SN committee at the Shibuya district level provide a gift package consisting of the 14 stationery, 16 storybook, and 80 notebook. Each packet contains the same amount of the three types of goods. 1. What is the maximum number of packages provided by the committee? B. How many stationery, storybook, and notebook are three for each gift package? And next is solution. To solve the problem above, use the HCF concept. First, we find the HCF of the number 40, 60, and 80 by means of prime factorization. From the result of prime factorization, we get 40 equals 2 by 2 by 2 by 5, 60 equals 2 by 2 by 3 by 5, 80 equals 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 5. Remember crazy solution HCF equals same, smaller power. HCF 40, 60, and 80 equals 2 by 2 by 5 equals 20. So the maximum gift pack is 20 pack. A. Number of stationery in each packet equals number of stationery. HCF equals 40, 20 equals 2 stationery. B. Number of storybook in each packet equals number of storybook. HCF equals 60, 20 equals 3 storybook. And finally C. Number of notebook in each packet equals number of notebook. HCF equals 80, 20 equals 5 notebook.
That's all from our group. If there is a wrong word, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.